Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can export your site on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do before you try and export your site is you're going to need to set your site to be public. Now, I can't do this since I'm currently on the free trial version, and I'm pretty sure that you do need a paid version to actually be able to unprivate your site. Once your site is public, then you can start actually exporting it, and it is very easy. As far as I know, currently you can only export it to WordPress, so if you're able to do it for other things, I'm not very sure how you do that. However, for WordPress, I know how to do this. So what you're going to want to do once you're ready to export your site is you're going to go into the bottom left, go click on this gear icon for the settings, and you're going to get to the website tab. Now you have all of these tabs to the left. It's automatically going to open up website, and this is exactly where you want to be. Now, to export your site, you're going to scroll down until you see import and export content. This is right under the Pinterest save buttons and the blog preferences. It is right above it. So in between those two, you'll find import and export content. Just click on that, and of course you have two buttons. You have import and export. If I click import, I can import it from WordPress, Tumblr, or Blogger. However, for export, all you have is for WordPress. And if I click on WordPress, as you can see, currently it is exporting the site, which I'm not sure how it is doing this since I'm not on a public site, but this is going to take a bit of time. As you'll see, it has been completely exported. For some reason, the bar doesn't fill up. It just immediately exports it. And then once you're done, you can just click download over here, and it's going to download your XML file for your site. Now, I was under the impression that it needs to be public. I'm pretty sure I am not, so I'm not sure how this worked. But as you can see, that is literally all you need to do to export your site. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.